there are things not related, nodes, that kind of stuff. What's being related is this. Actually, this is the data we want to pick up. Now, what about the word pivot in this context? Rearranging rows into columns. Okay, that is pivot. So it's like 90 degrees, rearranging rows to columns. It's kind of like transposing, kind of like, but we'll take a look at transposing as well because it's different. All right. So during a lockdown and stuff, we're talking about business pivoting and all. So this, in this context, is just 90 degrees. All right. What to do? Okay. This bunch of data, we want to get this format. That's the outcome. Okay. ID, can actually clearly see this ID, this column here. Student, class, score, 1, 2, 3. Do you see something here, guys? Student, class, score, student, class, score, student. You see this bunch of stuff just repeating. And look at this data. They are kind of here, while this is actually here. So that the objective is to actually to pivot this column, this key column here, rearrange it into this. All these rows, right? We are arranging it to this. Okay, that's the objective. All right, now. Okay, time to close this and let's head on to Power BI. Open up file number 6, please. Regardless of how powerful is the computer, it always takes the same amount of time to open up. Very strangely, it's like that. Okay, these topics here which we are covering here, 6, 7, 8, they are kind of the main, they belong to the same bunch of stuff. All right. Okay, this 6 is blank, nothing there. All right. So what to do? Very simple. This exercise is so simple. Is get data, actually. Get data or get what? Get that file just now. File number 6.1. So I know you guys can actually do that very easily already. So click on this. Okay, now be very careful here. There are things that we don't want. We don't want the preface. We want this only, right? This is the data. So I just want to click on this, okay? Which looks like what we saw just now, not the rest of the stuff. Okay, all right so far. What to do? We need Power Query window open up. So let's go for transform data right here. Guys, click on that, please. And there we are. No new steps, guys, for this. Up to now, no new steps. Okay. Data is a bit odd. Wait, hang on, let me come to here. A bit strange here. I see this header. Where's my header? Give me a second. What's going on? How is your data turning out, guys? I don't see the top here, which is a bit strange. Do you see the top?
Yes, can see it.
Yeah,
can see the
mine's a thanks. Yeah. Mine's a refresh problem lah. You know, it's a bit silly actually. Let me refresh this. I know it's there but it's just not appearing It's, you know why? The format it shouldn't start like that Really weird. Let's see. No, actually nothing I can do. I'm just gonna close this. All right. Apply changes. Nope. Totally gone. Let me do it again. So not loaded, because I didn't apply changes. same thing as well. You see this data thingy, because it was still here, I didn't delete it, right? I didn't apply changes, it wasn't loaded only. So this thing here is the same because it's a refresh thingy issue. So okay, the second one I'm just going to delete it. Okay, just leaving me this one. Okay, let's go on. Okay, what to do? We are going to pivot this, rearranging these rows to columns. You're going to click on this target column, click on the column that we want to pivot, go to transform, please. You see this right here? So this is the one. Can find it?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Click on it, please. Let me zoom out. We'll do this twice, guys. We'll do it the wrong way, and then we'll do the correct way. Okay, so this is the wrong way. Alright, don't worry about right or wrong. We'll get to where we want to go anyway. Alright, dropping this thing down. It says ID and value. ID is here, value is here. It's asking us what now. In our new design thingy, right? We have ID here, correct? And we have student, class, and then score, correct?
Vincent, sorry, can you repeat that again? How you get this pivot column?
This one, just click on this,
Yeah.
click on this, and then click on this. Select the column that you want.
Okay.
Okay, can get that?
Yes, yes, thanks.
Okay, so we have 3 columns here, right? Okay, so this question here is asking, what do we want populate under here? Do we want to populate ID or do you want to populate value? So which one is which, guys? This drop down list, you have 2 items there, right? So which one to select? ID or value?
Value.
Yeah, correct actually. See, because it can't be ID. ID is belonging to here, right? So the bunch of things that we want to populate is this. Remember this one? It should be under the data, correct? Okay. So this one here, drop down this, select value. Okay. Okay, just keep an eye. The number format here, that's under here. Okay, this is text and numbers. Okay, we can actually clearly see, hey, it's Bob. Bob is a text, is the name, and then you got all these numbers. Okay, and then here is ABCs, very clearly is text, and these are numbers. Okay, now can you click OK, please? And we come to this. Now, firstly, cross check. Do you get this? Exactly what I got. Okay, now this one actually happened. Of course, this is not very good there. So this is not what we want. Everything 1 1 1 1, right? Hey, what's happening? We don't want all this 1 1 1. Where's the final result? We want all those values showing, right? Okay, so let's go back and revisit this guy here. Can you delete the step here? And we are back to original state. Let's do this again. Select key, pivot column, click on it, and we are here again. This one, select value. Alright, under advanced options, can you click this? Let me zoom in. It's too big lah. Anyway, my screen is moving around. Okay, you see this count all? What happened is the 111 thing was a result of the counting. It counted everything. Everything inside the screen is 1 item. Bob is 1 item, so it counted 1. The number is 1. It's all because of this. Why is it count and not sum? It can't sum because this is alphanumeric. If it's getting all these numbers right, then there will be a sum function. But regardless of what it is, click on this. We don't want to aggregate. We don't want any mathematical function. That means don't count, don't sum, whatever. Don't do, don't aggregate. Click on this. And that's it. Once done, go in and click OK. Alright. Okay, so this is our final result thingy. Okay, so pivot column is actually a very easy thing lah, but just watch out for that extra option there, whether you want to count, sum, or don't do anything. Alright, which is what we did. Okay, is it alright? Okay, so this is rearranging rows to columns. So regardless of what data that you have, right, it's actually a quick way of rearranging stuff. No? It's just a bit of selecting the column and just clicking on it, actually, to tell the truth, very easily. Right, so done. Go to home. Not always you want to do this, but you just want to complete it for the sake of completeness. So click on this, close and apply. And we are waiting for it. I know there's very little data, it's just processing. Okay, so it's here already. Nothing unusual. Click on this and data view, and it's here. This is the result. Okay, I'm going to press Ctrl S. That's it for this. It actually is 12:30 already. Okay, tell you what, let's break for lunch and come back at 1:30. Alright. It's quite a heavy afternoon because our exercises are going to get more complex. So don't eat so much, lunch. Heavy afternoon, okay, guys. See you guys.
Okay, see you.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yep.